you ever hiked a nature trail, gone camping, or even driven by a natural area and thought, wow, this is beautiful? This wonder with the natural world and appreciation for its beauty is just one of the many reasons why authorities in Canada began conserving natural spaces. Yet there are many other factors involved when determining key concerns for conservation. And it is these factors which my research aims to identify, while also determining how they interact and influence what we consider as worthy of conservation. In other words, I am seeking to understand how and why we prioritize areas for conservation in Southern Ontario. I also seek to inform organizations and government agencies regarding the prioritization process, as well as to uncover gaps and overlaps in current conservation plans. Additionally, I aim to uncover the finer details and complexities of the conservation process in order to create a more informed and involved public. But why do we choose to conserve certain aspects of the environment? And how does this influence conservation priorities? Through my research and interviews with the conservation community, I have determined a number of factors that organizations use when determining priorities for conservation. However, it's important to note that how these factors are applied depend in part on how established a conservation agency may be. As such, my research shows that your favorite natural area may have been conserved for its biodiversity value, natural beauty, or to protect an endangered space or species. It may also be managed for its recreational value or its potential resource extraction, or for potential resource extraction. Additionally, there may be public pressure to protect a particular space or species within it, or the land may have been donated to an organization for conservation. The truth is that all of these factors and more come into play when planning for biodiversity conservation and establishing protected areas. But what is it about these factors, and how does this influence conservation priorities? My research shows that we've begun to view the way we protect the environment in a much more holistic manner. Although conservation can be described as grounded in science, the participation of diverse stakeholders, involvement of new institutions, and development of new initiatives ensures that new factors, including political influence, global values, and funding sources, also influence what we consider as worthy of conservation and create a more multidimensional assessment process. So the next time that you're stopped by the wonder of nature, remember that there's much more to it than meets the eye. But the reasons why you find it valuable may be one of the many factors influencing conservation priorities today.